Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today I will discuss the challenges of the political parties. Now student, let's we see. In the first I will tell you that we are discussing the shortcomings and the weakness of the political parties. Means we are going to discuss the challenges. Since the citadel of democracy appear to have been built upon the pillars of political parties, it is quite natural for people to blame them for all ills of democracy. Means I want to make it clear that democracy, which has been built on the pillars of political parties, so obviously all the responsibility of the political parties, and it is very proper, it is very natural to blame them for all ills of the democracy, what we are appearing, what we are seeing present time in the democracy. Because as we have seen that many of the challenges, many of the weak point, many of the shortcomings, and all the, you will say, political parties have a lot of reason to criticize themselves. Obviously there is a matter to discuss all these weak point, all these shortcomings properly, so that we can overcome all the challenges which can make the democracy more and more weak, so that we can have the way with a very patiently to lead the democracy towards the, we'll say, at the level of zenith, and where democracy have no reason to blame itself, to blame according to or by the political parties. So let's we see the all challenges. In the first I will discuss all these challenges one by one, but today I will tell only the types of challenges which are there in the about the political parties, and I will discuss them one by one in the each video, so you can better understand very closely all these challenges. So lack of internal democracy, this is a challenge where the democracy has been seen that they are not applying the procedure of the or principle of the democracy internally in the party inside. Means democracy are the kind of caretaker or bearer who have the responsibility to carry on all the principle of the democracy. But when it is talk that democracy has been followed in the political party inside, so in such a way political parties are found not very successful. Second challenge, dynastic succession. Means all the political parties, if they are very successful, so very biggest reason has been found that there is the familyhood politics. Means all the political parties mostly which we have seen in the country all over the world, where it has been seen that the family background is very powerful over the parties, and many of the regions that the general people, the you will say the common people have not any interest to come in the politics, because there is a lot of need of the kind of links or the you will say license or many kind of the things which has been needed. Only the strong family support, if it is there, then the person can become a very successful political party leader. Next, growing importance of money and muscle power. It has been seen last 30 years the importance of money has been increased so much, and they have also improved, means developed the political parties. But this development is not favor of the democracy. This development is only favor of the political parties, means, and their people. Muscle power, where we will see that all the peoples which have the criminal background, or they have the kind of records of the criminal activities directly or indirectly, so these people and their involvement has been increased day by day, because some leaders of the political parties, they thought, they think also that the shortcut to win the elections in the democracy only when the criminals and the rich people can be there in the party inside. Next one, lack of clear cut ideology, means all the political parties, they have not set their agenda, means their manifestos and their kind of ideology which has been lacking many of the things, and which does not will say cover up the all interest of the people as a general or the common problems. Mostly the political parties blaming themselves, each other, and in such a way the clear cut ideology has not been seen among the all political parties, means they should discuss the general issues, common issues, but obviously they should do, but present time which we have seen that all the political parties are not very willing to discuss all the common problems. They only just to demoralize the other parties. So student, we will discuss all these challenges one by one in our next video, and it will make your better understanding of this topic. Thank you to listen me, thank you to watching me.